You can also insert checkboxes, option boxes, and toggle buttons into a user form. So I'm going to do this in page 2. So either you just drag the checkbox in. So the checkbox works the same principle as a normal checkbox, where you have to link it to a specific source, and you can check all of them if you want to. An option box works on more than one option, and then you've got your toggle buttons. So it's either spin button or scroll button. We can do a spin button in this case. So all of them needs to have a control source. Now remember, to have a control source, you obviously have to have something named. So I'm going to go to A3, name that cell C. I'm going to go to A4, name that cell B. Cell D. I'm going to go to A5 and name that cell E. And then this one I can name cell F. So if I go to my name manager, you'll see all the names there. So if you go back to the user form now, the first checkbox, we can make the control source cell A. So what does this mean? If I open it up now, if I click it or not click it, it will either say true or false. Then an option box, you can make it cell D. So obviously both of them needs to go to the same place. But then what's very important is you have to make them the same group name. So I'm going to go make it this one 1 and this one 1. So this one goes to cell D. This one we can take to cell E. So now because we've grouped them together, if I open the user form, you can click on one of them. So it's either true or false. And they've got the same group names. So the group name is very important. And then if we go to the toggle button, we can make that cell F. So let's go back there, open the user form, and as you can see, it's not working. Let's go see what's wrong. So if I click on the toggle button again, so currently it's saying it's going to cell F. Let's see where's cell F. So that's 0. So currently it's just staying at 0. So let's see what's wrong here. So let's click on it again. So currently you can see that the minimum value is 0, the maximum value is 100. So now it's a very important principle with toggle buttons. If I open the user form up and I click it, it doesn't show that it's moving, but when I close it, you'll see it's moved. So let's go click it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that should be 29. If I close it, it's 29. So it doesn't do it immediately. So that is very important. Don't think that your toggle button is not working. It is working perfectly. It's just not updating immediately. So that is your checkboxes, your option boxes, and your toggle buttons. Remember to add a group name to your specific option boxes.